Okay, next, how can we make an extrude on a rounded surface, not flat surface, but on a round surface? Like in this example, this cylinder is extruded up to this cylinder. So how can we do that? Remember that in the previous example that we have to click on the surface, then we draw the shape that we want, then make extrude. But on the rounded surface or any surface that is not flat, we cannot do that. So how can we do that? Very simple. Let me show you. There are two options to do that. Okay, suppose that let's draw this cylinder again. Okay, so you can see how to do it. So let's start with the front, normal 2, then sketch, activate sketch, then circle. I'm gonna make this dimension 105. Okay, feature, then extrude. Okay, let's say that I want it to be 100. You have an option to make the extrude 100 blind, or you can make it mid-plane. Suppose that the extrude is 100, so we can make it mid-plane and just see how what's happening here when I just increase the number. So 45 here, 45 here, now 40. So in this case 50 here and 50 here. So mid-plane means that the extrude will be the half here and the half here, and the shape will be in the middle. Okay, so it's 100 extrude, check. Now how can we make the extrude of the cylinder, the upper cylinder? How can we do that on around this area? We cannot click on the surface and draw, no. We have to go to the plane that is inside. So what is the plane that is inside here? Front? No. Top? Yes. Right? No. So the top. So click on the top, then normal 2. I'm gonna draw a circle on the top. See what is the plane of the top? It's in the middle. Okay, I'm gonna draw a circle here. Then I'll make it up. Okay, then I'll make extrude to the surface. So click on the top plane, then normal 2, sketch, activate sketch, then go to the origin point and draw a circle. Let's say that the dimension of this circle is, let's say 50. Okay, then check. Okay, now the circle is in the middle. I want it to be in the here in some area here. So feature, then extrude. Okay, let's say that the circle I want it to be from move it from here 100 millimeter in the upper surface. So go from here, then click on offset. Offset means that I want to make a shift for this drawing from the middle in somewhere here in the. So what is the height of this sketch? I want it to be on 100 height. Okay, now the sketch in the down, I have to make it I have to make it to make the sketch down. So click here. Okay, so what does that mean? The sketch is going up, okay, in this area. Then I want on the dimension between this circle and this circle 100 millimeters. Now I want to make the extrude up to this surface. Okay, how to make it? How can I make it? Very simple. I have to go here and then I choose up to surface. Where is the up to surface? Here, up to surface. Okay, so he asks you what surface that you want to click, so click on this surface, click. So the sketch is moved up 100 millimeters, then the extrude is was going down up to the surface, as we can see. Then click check. Okay, so up to surface by using the offset, then 100 millimeters, then extrude up to the surface, and this is how we do this extrude. Okay, so if you have any extrude, okay, on any surface, but this surface is not flat, you have to make it in this way. Suppose that I want to make an like the cylinder in the right, so I have to choose the plane that is related to this cylinder. So front, no. Top, no. Right, yes. Click on the right, normal tool, sketch, activate sketch, then draw a circle, or maybe anything you can see. For example, let's say a polygon. Okay, a polygon. I'll make this point and this point horizontal. Okay, then I give this a dimension, let's say it's 25. Okay, now I have to make a shift. How can I make a shift? First of all, click on check, then feature, extrude. I want to make a shift. Okay, how can we make the shift? From here, go to offset and push the sketch, the dimension that you want. The sketch is here, so I want it to be in this area, in this direction. Okay, now choose from here up to surface. Okay, which surface? This surface? No, this surface. So it's gonna make the extrude from this sketch up to this surface, and he stop here. Okay, and this is how we make any extrude on any rounded or not flat sketch. Finally, I want to give you an idea of how can we make a shell. So we have a shell here. Let's say that the shell has 2 millimeters thickness. So click here, click here, click here, and click here. So he's gonna make this shape empty from inside with a thickness of 2 millimeters. Let's see, check. And this is how we make a shell. If we want to make it shell or empty from inside with thickness of 2 millimeters, this is how we do it. You have to click on the surfaces that related to this shell, and this is a good example of how to make an extrude for rounded surfaces and how can we make a shell for all the project. I hope you understand that, and thank you very much.